I think Aviation Academy definitely has a unique training environment, especially because of the small company, small town feel. All of the instructors are very close with their students and work very closely to their specific learning styles, and that definitely helps in training because we're not just giving you the program, we're giving you your own program, what helps you the most. I have a lot of pride in instructing for Aviation Academy because I was a student here once. I did all of my training through Aviation Academy, from private through commercial, CFI, II, MEI. I've done the program, I know that it works. Another reason I love working for Aviation Academy is the quality aircraft and avionics. Every time I get into one of our planes, I know that our systems are going to be up to date. I know that I'm not going to have any issues. I know that it was taken care of in maintenance, and I'm not going to have any worries when I go fly with students. Overcoming fears is definitely a big deal. A common fear that a lot of students have is practicing stalls or engine out procedures, especially when they're new private students. And the only way to get over those fears is to face them head on and show them that when we do stalls, when I pull your engine, the plane's not going to fall out of the sky, it's going to keep gliding. And overcoming those fears and teaching them how to recover is definitely important. The most rewarding part of training, especially for private students, is getting them to solo or getting them to check ride. But more specifically, I love helping students achieve their individual goals. So they wanted to do 3 takeoffs and landings unassisted, or they wanted to do their solo cross country by this date. And helping them achieve that individually is definitely the most rewarding part for me. I hope that every student learns not just how to fly the plane, but how to appreciate aviation. In my time, I've noticed that the best pilots aren't the people that just show up and do their lesson and then go home and do 30 minutes of ground school and go to bed. It's the people who are going to the flying events and they're going to the air shows and they're really immersing themselves in aviation, airplanes, helicopters, airline stuff, corporate things. They're just making it not something that they do a couple times a week, but it becomes a part of who they are as a person.